Chevy. That doesn't mean that much. We made it. Probably Itasca over here. Yep. But this had a big motor, 454
in it.
GM. This has a 440 Dodge in it. They're kind of clever the way you get in these things.
From the back.
Yeah. Can't tell you much about that item at all.
Little Astro van.
Another red Suburban. Moving here. Here's another stainless steel top Eldorado like you saw in Hazel.
Yeah.
In the early 80s.
Gold Eldorado.
Now we're getting serious.
And here's a Buick.
56 Buick, two-door hardtop.
Would that be a Roadmaster?
Big one. Yeah. See the 4 scoops? That's
Yep.
a Clue. Or maybe a Century.
That's yeah, probably a Century.
Yeah, Century.
That's a 2-door hardtop.
Two-door hardtop. Mr. Buick. It has the L-head engine, I'm sure. Big engine. I wish I knew about this truck. I think this may be his buddy's. So I won't talk about it. Here we go with
Another Buick.
another Buick. We might take the fender off of that one, put over here.
There's a 4-door Buick there.
Yeah. And this is got a decent body on it.
Probably
Somebody,
what, 55? Both of those?
Yeah. No, that's a 56. I think.
56.
This is a 55. This is a special.
Buick Special 4-door.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And then this is looks like a race car.
Can be.
Body.
Can be brought back, but it's a 55 Chevy coupe with a built-in roll bar, but it does have a fiberglass front end
on it.
and a straight axle.
And then here's a 4-door
Straight
55
axle over
Chevy.
here, Gary.
Straight axle
Which is
for the race car.
this car could be brought back. It's surprisingly straight. Bel Air 4-door 55. I guess it got painted once in its lifetime.
Looks like it.
Yeah. From patching of pink to two-tone. I could make a couple pretty nice cars pretty quick. Here. Little work. I don't see any cancer on this car at all. Okay, then we jump over to a limo. Cadillac Limousine.
Is that a
With
55 or 56? 55?
Dagmar bumper.
What kind of bumper?
Dagmar. Dagmar.
Dagmar.
Beautiful movie star.
Okay. Dagmar. I didn't know that. Dagmar bumper.
And then it's got dual air conditioners. You see the scoops back there.
Oh yeah.
With fins, one of the first full fins on this car. Now, you wanted to know what the car looked like out in covered up, the big one?
Yeah.
Here it is.
Okay, this is the one that you had.
46, 47 through 49, this body style. The 49 got an overhead valve motor. The rest of them are flatheads. This car has been started restoration. And some of the parts are back here. Most all the parts are back there. But you notice it has a round gauge. It has a push button deluxe radio. Did not have air conditioning, but it had a deluxe heater system, as indicated by that dial to your left. And somebody, it looks like a clock's out. Not too bad the windows are down.
So this is a 49.
Let's call it a 47.
47.
Cadillac 75 series.
75.
That's a big car. It would have had jump seats, and you could accommodate maybe as many. Kids set up 2 per jump seat, 11 people.
Oh wow.
Here's a rare car, 49 Caddy 2-door sedan and coupe with significant fishtails.
Yes, it has some fins on it.
49 coupe, very sought after body. Got a Ford over here right beside of it, 4-wheel drive, I believe. Yep, 4-wheel drive. Again, that's something in the 60s. Flatbed.
Yeah.
So with the Eldorado, we got two of the first ones. This is a okay. Cadillac did interesting things. A little history here for you. One year was bold. The next year was effeminate. So that the fine one was the year off of this one. I think this is the full 68. This would have been a 69.
Just changed the grill up a little
The
bit.
body's the same. Very few changes. But apparently this is a better one. He keeps it covered up. So, but
Is that one a convertible?
no, they're both hard.
They are
tops.
hard tops.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here is something that people like.
Yeah, Lincoln.
Lincoln Continental with suicide doors, 60 through 64.
Yeah, I think that's.
Yeah.
It looks like the Mr. Gadget.
Yeah. Now there's another one up here under cover, so we'll look at that one.
And there's the Plymouth,
Here, Fury with the big.
like the
hands.
Christine car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a two-door car, believe it or not. It looks like
Look
it ought
at-
to be a four-door.
Yeah, look at the fins on that one.
Yeah, boy. So we're going to call this about a 61, 63, somewhere in there. Plymouth. Leave the motor. We need a motor on that one. While we're taking a break, let's walk through here and show you the shop we uses here. Anybody need a bicycle for two?
Look at there.
Authentic.
Somebody been working on it? It's upside down.
Not
Like
in
they've been
recent
working on the chain.
Not in recent time. Yeah. So this is his little shop. Now, one of the times he got deployed, this was at another location. This is running loader, and still runs, but he's got a minor problem. But clutch. He's got a partly torn out. He had to have put a clutch plate in it. But when I went to move this thing, in that old wrecker that you saw,
Uh-huh.
I had his buddy help me, but had a little trouble getting it to move. And it's probably just as well, because when we finally moved it, there was the biggest copperhead I'd ever seen that we smashed under this thing.
Oh,
moving it.
man.
You know, that guy was that big around,
he
and not
didn't
very
get you.
big. And I said,
He's
I'm glad I
big,
didn't look
big
under there.
fat one, huh?
Yeah. Glad I didn't look
No
under
kidding.
because he'd have got me in the head or something.
Right. You looked under there and he'd have kissed you in the face.
But you can see some military stuff here that he's accumulated, and his interest in international refrigerator. That's nice.
Don't ever think I've ever seen one of them.
Yeah. Painted olive drab.
International Harvester Refrigerator. How about that?
Yeah, he was big on the international stuff for a while. This is his Jeep when he was in town. A little longer than some. A couple of lawnmowers, and tractors and things. This is his little workshop. On cold days when he's down here, he puts this old outdoor burner to work.
To work, keep him warm in
Yeah,
here.
right in this corner, even if you're in the wind, you can at least get in out of the cold for a little
Yeah.
bit and warm your hands or something. He's a hard-working guy. I'm telling you, he's a hard worker.
Well, it's a nice little shop.
But this was the little story behind this. Second generation going back, and it's ironic how life works out. But this was a pig barn,
Oh, yeah?
middle roof, and you'll see where they just let the pigsty run off into that reservoir over there. And
Okay.
you had to do something with it. 'Cause
Yeah.
nastiness had to go out.
Had to clean it out.
Yeah.
Went out that way.
This record's what he and I use when we're down here. We need it.
Moving stuff around. Okay.
This little guy over here, he's driven it to and from the mountains so many times with four-wheel drive. It's seen some pretty rugged. I've driven it. I've ridden in it. I know whenever he would come in, and of course he is now graduated to bigger stuff, but he always kept, if he got tired, because he'd drive straight through 1,000 miles. He got tired, he'd just lay down on those seats and take a nap in the back. I'm not sure what the story's on this tractor, but it's something we need to see. Break it over minutes again.